Yes!
Land Cruiser Midwest and Susie Q are better than pure butter. Let's get cooking now, y'all.
Donald Trump and myself say Land Cruiser Midwest and Sassy Sue beat any liberal hands down. This is not a conspiracy, it's good stuff. Please like, share, subscribe to Land Cruiser Midwest.
Bart says be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Land Cruiser Midwest. To me, Wonder Chrissy and Susie Q are the best thing going in Springfield by far.
And be a brave man. Subscribe to Land Cruiser Midwest on the Chrissy and Susie Q Rock. And my good friends now says get to the chopper now.